Hello students, now we see fifth example of this practice set 4.2. Now if A is to B is equal to 3 is to 1 and B is to C is equal to 5 is to 1, then find the value of A cube upon 15B square C whole cube. Now here first write down given A is to B is equal to 3 is to 1. Therefore, A upon B is equal to 3 upon 1. Therefore, write down value of A. Therefore, A is equal to 3B. Next, B is to C is equal to 5 is to 1. B is to C is equal to 5 is to 1. Therefore, B upon C is equal to 5 upon 1. Therefore, value of B is equal to, taking cross multiplication, B into 1 is B is equal to 5C. 5C. Now, we have to write value of A in the form of C. Therefore, suppose this is 1. Therefore, from 1, A is equal to 3 into value of B, put value of B is 5C, therefore is equal to 3 into 5, 15C. A आणि B च्या व्हॅल्यू आपण C च्या फॉर्म मध्ये काढल्या. Now we have to find value of this. Write down this A cube upon 15B square C whole cube is equal to, put value of A is 15C, that is 15C whole cube, 15C whole cube, divide by, value of A is 15C whole cube, divide by 15 into B square, that is 5C whole square into value into C whole cube is equal to. Now write down this 15 cube is written as 15 into 15 into 15 into C cube. C cube is C cube divide by 15 into 5C square, that is 5C into 5C into C whole cube is equal to. Now this 15 get cancelled, dividing by 5 3, dividing by 5 3. 1, 2, 3C get cancelled, C cube get cancelled. Now remaining terms are 3 into 3, 9, 9 cube is equal to, 9 cube is 9 into 9, 81, 81 into 9, that is 729. This is the answer of this. Now second example, solve second example of this. A square upon 7BC. You solve this example. First, stop the video and you start to solve this example on your notebook. तुमच्या नोटबुक मध्ये लिहा, सोडवा. सोडवल्यानंतर चेक करा, व्हिडिओ चालू करा आणि चेक करा तुम्ही सोडवलेलं बरोबर आहे का. Now here also we have given A is to B. A is to B is 3 is to 1. A is to B is equal to 3 is to 1. Therefore A upon B is equal to, A is to B is equal to 3 is to 1. Therefore, A upon B is equal to 3 upon 1. Therefore, taking cross multiplication, A is equal to 3B. B is to C is equal to 5:1. Therefore, B upon C is equal to 5 upon 1. Taking cross multiplication, B is equal to 5C. Now, write down value of this A in the form of C. Therefore, equation 1 becomes. Now, A is equal to 3 into value of B is 5C is equal to 15C. Now, write down given, we have to find value of this. A square upon 7BC is equal to value of A is 15C whole square divided by 7 into B is 5C into C is equal to 15C into 15C divided by 7 into 5C into C. 1, 2, C get cancelled, C get cancelled, dividing by 5, 3. 5 into 15 into 3, 45 upon 7. This is the answer. Now question number 6. X plus 3 is to x plus 11 is equal to x minus 2 is to x plus 1. Then find the value of x. Now first write down given as it is. X plus 3 is to x plus 11 is equal to x minus 2 is to x plus 1. Write down this as A is to B is written as A upon B. Therefore, x plus 3 upon x plus 11 is equal to x minus 2 upon x plus 1. Taking cross multiplication, that is x plus 11, write down this as x plus 11 into x minus 2 equal to x plus 3 into x plus 1. Taking multiplication, multiplying by x into x square minus 2x plus 11x, 11 into 2 minus 22 equal to multiplying by x into x square plus x plus 3x plus 3 into 1 is 3. Here x square get cancelled. 11x minus 2x is 9x minus 22 is equal to 1 plus 3, that is 4x plus 3. We have to find value of x. Therefore 9x plus becomes minus 4x is equal to 3 minus becomes plus 22. 9x minus 4x is 5x is equal to 25. Therefore, x is equal to 25 upon 5 dividing by 5. Therefore, x is equal to 5. This is the answer. Thank you.